Animals across the planet have evolved astonishing ways to survive, and some of them live far longer than we ever imagined. Science now confirms that a few species can survive for centuries, making them key subjects in aging research, evolutionary, biology, and medical science. The ocean quahog, a clam found in the North Atlantic, is the longest-lived known animal on Earth. One individual was scientifically dated to over 500 years old, proving that extreme longevity is possible in nature. The Greenland shark is another marvel, living in icy Arctic waters. Its slow metabolism allows it to survive for an estimated 250 to over 400 years, based on radiocarbon dating of eye tissue. On the larger end of the animal kingdom, the bowhead whale has been confirmed to live over 200 years, with evidence including ancient harpoon tips found embedded in living whales. On land, the Galapagos tortoise stands out, commonly living 120 to 150 years or more, thanks to slow growth, low stress, and highly efficient biology. What makes these creatures truly extraordinary isn't just how long they live, but how they age. Many of them don't experience aging the way humans do. Their cells divide slowly, accumulate far less damage, and repair DNA with remarkable efficiency. In some species, the risk of death barely increases with age, a phenomenon scientists call negligible senescence. The ocean quahog shows almost no decline in cellular function, even after centuries of life. Its secret appears to be an ultra-slow metabolism combined with powerful antioxidant defenses that protect cells from oxidative damage. At the cellular level, time itself seems to move more slowly. The Greenland shark follows a similar strategy. Cold temperatures, minimal activity, and extremely slow growth reduce cellular stress to the bare minimum. These sharks may take over 100 years just to reach maturity. Yet their tissues show strong resistance to age-related breakdown. Some animals go even further. The hydra, a tiny freshwater organism, can theoretically live forever. It constantly replaces its cells using stem cells, meaning it doesn't age in any traditional sense. As long as it avoids predators or disease, it has no biological expiration date. Then there is the naked mole rat, a small rodent that lives up to 30 years, nearly 10 times longer than similar-sized mammals. It resists cancer, survives low oxygen environments, and maintains protein stability far better than most animals. Its biology has become one of the most valuable models in medical research. As scientists study these species more closely, they are realizing that aging is not one unstoppable process. It is a collection of systems that can be slowed, stabilized, or repaired. Long-lived animals tightly control inflammation, recycle damaged proteins efficiently, and prevent cells from spiraling into dysfunction. One of the most important discoveries involves cancer resistance. Massive animals, like whales, should statistically develop cancer far more often than humans, yet they rarely do. This mystery led researchers to discover enhanced DNA, repair systems, and extratumor suppressor, genes that shut down dangerous cells before they become a threat. Even microscopic survivors like tardigrades offer insights. These creatures can endure freezing, radiation, dehydration, and even the vacuum of space. They protect their DNA with specialized proteins that shield genetic material from damaged proteins, now being studied for preserving human cells and medical materials. What connects all these long-lived animals is efficiency, not brute strength. They don't fight time aggressively. They reduce damage so time has less power over them. Slow metabolism, stable proteins, precise gene regulation, and powerful repair mechanisms work together in perfect balance. This is why modern longevity research is shifting direction. Scientists are no longer chasing immortality. They are learning how to extend healthy life, how to reduce disease, maintain strength and mental clarity, and keep cells functional for longer. The longest-lived animals on Earth are not defying nature. They are revealing its deepest secrets.